Floods across the country has killed at least 217 people, with dozens of others still unaccounted for. Almost all of the deaths occurred in the Valencia region and more than 60 in the suburb of Paiporta. Some 2,500 more soldiers arrived in flood-hit areas to reinforce efforts to locate bodies and clear debris. The army sent about 5,000 soldiers over the weekend to help distribute food and water. The Spanish government says they would allow severely affected areas to access emergency funds.
Actually,
grabe yan.
Aside from this is terrible news, no? But it's so terrible, hindi ata sanay yung sa ganitong magnitude. Di ba
ganito, ha, sabi
dumalaw yung King and Queen at saka yung
monarchy.
Tsaka yung PM, di ba? Pagdating nun daw pinagsisipahan yung kotse, pinagbabato ng putik.
Binato ng putik sila kasi sinabi daw na
murderer daw sila.
Oo, murder, hindi daw sila binigyan ng enough time to prepare, kaya maraming mga nasirang sasakyan at maraming mga namatay. Pero yun nga, sabi naman nila dito, when I was reading about it, hindi naman na sila, kumbaga, hindi common na sa kanila itong mga pagbaha. It's just that this is really severe dahil nga dun sa yung global warming, pinag-uusapan natin yan yesterday, yung climate change.
Mag-escalate na
umiinit, diba? Umiinit dyan sa yung rising temperature dyan sa may Mediterranean Sea. That's why ganito yung nangyayari sa mga flooding dyan sa area.
And we all know when temperature rises sa sea, lumalakas ang bagyo because more energy, more heat, more energy for the storm.
Yan yung basic precipitation, 'di ba, sa science ng grade school, pinag-aaralan yan. Moisture na lang. Pero ito sige, let's talk about another, yung tropical storm here.
Yeah, severe. This is about severe tropical storm Marcy, which is now nearing typhoon category.